Open the Capcut application and navigate to the Templates section. Tap on New Projects to begin. Add your desired videos and photos to the project. I have already added photos in the project. Now, tap on the photo and set the duration to 6 seconds. For the following photo, set the duration to 8 seconds. By doing so, the total length of the video will be 14 seconds. Next, click on the first photo and select the animation labeled Smartphone 3 feet from the combo options. Ensure that the full photo is visible as demonstrated in the accompanying video. To achieve a tilt and flip effect, add a key to the photo in order to manipulate its animation. Follow the instructions provided in the video. Moving on, apply the halo blur and fade in video effects. Head to the second photo and add the camera movement and black flash 2 feet effects. Adjusting their settings as demonstrated in the video. For audio, extract the sound from the video using the Extracted option. Choose the Echo voice effect. Find the sound link in the description. For text, add a text box and double tap to edit it. Select the Aurora font. In the animation section, choose Dissolve for the intro animation and Dilute for the outro. Adjust the animation duration to your preference. Make a copy of the text box and double tap to edit the lyrics. All edits are completed, adjust the settings to ensure high-quality output, and export the video. To share your tutorial or post as a template, click on the Post as Template or Tutorial button. Once again, select Post as Template. And provide a name for your tutorial. Add relevant hashtags and choose a cover for your template. Finally, hit the post button. For more videos like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel.